Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint SWOT analysis infographic in just a few minutes. Plus, you can buy this template from the Patreon link in the description below, and you can also like this video. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is enter your text or title, and next you're going to insert a round corner rectangle, remove this outline, give it a perfect fill, whatever you want to use. Next, what we're going to do is now we're going to insert another round corner rectangle, and we're going to remove its outline, change its fill to another color that is different from the color you use for the background rectangle. You're going to insert your content text, decrease its size, change its fill to white. Here you go. Give it like middle alignment, and then decrease its size. Here you go. Next, what we're going to do is just insert a title text box in which we're going to write our first title. So as you can see, this is SWOT analysis infographic. So first title is going to be strengths. We're going to just give it a very bold font so that we can easily say that this is the title and note the content text. Here you go. Next, what we're going to do is go to icons tab, and from here we're going to just insert one title, like one icon that matches the best with the title. So we're going to change this fill to white as well, so that because for the sky blue color, the only color that we can use is white. But if you want, you can use other colors, like you can use you can use the same background color, that is the purple, or you can just use white fill. Next, or you can just change its color to whatever you want. Next, we're going to duplicate the text, and we're going to just move it to the right side. And like this, we're going to duplicate it again and again, but with equal distances in between the text boxes. Here you go. We're just going to duplicate them 4 times. So like this, move it to the right side. Next, what we're going to do is just make the background a blue color a bit darker so that we can easily see the text clearly. Next, we're gonna change our titles for all of the text boxes, and here you go. Now we're gonna replace the icons as well, depending on what title we have. Here you go. So for the weakness, we're going to use a log, and for the opportunity, we're just going to use let me see. We can use this handshake that is related to business opportunity, and for this fourth one, we can just use some dangerous sign or icon, and we can just use this target icon. Next, we're going to duplicate our slide, and we're going to just duplicate it again and again about 4 times. And move this rectangle onto the second slide to the second one, and then the third we're going to move it to the third text box, and in the fourth one we're going to just move it behind the fourth text box. But be sure to select all of your slides, go to transition step, and then give them more transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can buy this template for about $3 at most, at least minimum, from the Patreon link in the description below. Be sure to like this video.